Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file that they're getting frustrated on, and they're trying to weld it all together with the Smart Fill tool. I'm guessing because you got different parts in here. So I know where the leak is. The leak is up here. If they take the Smart Fill tool and put it up here, you can see the leak right in here. And normally on something like this, I would take and make quadrants and try to change some things. But like right here, could be a possible leak. Instead of going through there all the way, I'm going to actually take this box away for a second. I'm going to grab it and get the shape tool, and I'm just going to select all that. Well, you know what? It might be this. There we go. I've got it all selected now. Grab it all. You've gotten all and I can kind of see some starting arrows, but that doesn't really give you a clue sometimes. But then go to Windows, Dockers, and join curves. You don't want to set very high because you could join some curves that you don't want to set. But I've got mine set on 0.01, then I hit apply. Now, you saw possibly some nodes disappear. See down here? And then when we go forward, those nodes disappear. So now I'm still going to use the box, and I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool, and I have no leak. Now, the only thing I can say for him, I don't know if he's going to cut this out. So anyway, what he's trying to do is use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in, and then all of it is one piece, and you left click, right click, and make sure it's a hairline. And so these are just 4 objects versus 1. The only thing I would be concerned about is that this is really thin. It's less than 1/8 of an inch. And, that's the thickness of plywood. Go here to here, and 0.10, and plywood is 0.125. And, but I don't know the scenario. So and this is nitpicking, is that this line is thicker than this line. And then, of course, this line's okay because it's the same as that. So next time you're drawing something like that, maybe start with the 2 identical lines. And that's nitpicking. This looks fine, except for it's going to be really weak, because there's a part right there. And, there's some surprisingly nodes that we didn't do it all. It would be beneficial to do it all. Well, that didn't even work on that. So that's another, there you go. See, that's going to be a cleaner cut. Now, if it's a laser engraver, that won't really matter. It'll burn right through it. This is too small to plasma cut, I would think. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.